Uncovering clues in language. A smoking gun. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints quite the picture: a smoking gun. This idiom is not just about crime and mystery, but it's a powerful way to express a certain type of evidence. Stick with us as we unravel the meaning and use of this intriguing expression. The phrase, a smoking gun, refers to a piece of evidence that serves as irrefutable confirmation of an act, often wrongdoing or a crime. It comes from a scenario where a person found holding a smoking gun is clearly the one who has fired a shot. In everyday language, it's used to describe evidence that proves a fact or an accusation beyond doubt. Historically, the term is quite literal. A gun that has been recently fired will emit smoke. But in literature and media, a smoking gun has become a metaphor for conclusive evidence. The term gained popularity in the 20th century, especially in political scandals and crime stories, symbolizing the moment when the truth is uncovered. In conversation and writing, a smoking gun is often used to highlight a turning point in an argument or investigation. For instance, the email was a smoking gun that proved the CEO knew about the fraud. Investigators are looking for a smoking gun to link the suspect to the crime. Using this phrase adds drama and certainty to the statement, indicating that no further proof is needed. And there you have it. The phrase, a smoking gun, is a powerful tool in English to denote clear, indisputable evidence. I hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you can now use it with confidence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.